According to legend, Rome began in 753 BC. Twin brothers Romulus and Remus, sons of the war god Mars, were abandoned as infants and raised by a she-wolf. When grown, they chose to build a city, but disagreed on where. Romulus killed Remus, founded the city on the Palatine Hill, and gave it his name, Rome. The early city was ruled by kings, 7 in total, beginning with Romulus and ending with Tarquinius Superbus, whose cruelty led to his overthrow in 509 BC. Rome then became a republic, governed by elected officials and the Senate. Over the next centuries, Rome fought to control the Italian peninsula, defeating rival peoples like the Etruscans, Samnites, and Greeks of the south. By 264 BC, Rome ruled all of Italy. Next came the Punic Wars against Carthage, from 264 to 146 BC. After 3 long wars, Carthage was destroyed, and Rome dominated the western Mediterranean. In the east it absorbed Greece, Macedonia, and Asia Minor. By 100 BC the Republic was powerful, but unstable. Massive wealth, slavery, and social inequality bred corruption. Generals like Marius, Sulla, and Julius Caesar gained armies and influence, pushing the Republic toward collapse. Rome's destiny as an empire was set, but its republican ideals were already fading.